Honorable Karemba and honorable members of this committee, I've known Honorable Nanok when I worked with him as the county attorney for Turkana while he was serving as the governor. And I worked with him for 4 years, and our relationship was purely professional in serving the people of Turkana in our various capacities, him as governor and myself as the county attorney. And our relationship, professional relationship, ended in 2022 after he left. And then I continued serving under Honorable Jeremiah Lomurkai, the current governor for Turkana, for another 2 years, bringing a total of my service in Turkana to 6 years, and I left. And Honorable Chair, with your permission, allow me to assure this committee that whatever the relationships, whether familial or friendship or people you've gone to school with, which I'm sure some of them are in this house, some of my former bosses are also members of this parliament, some are in the civil society. No man is an island, no person is an island. But what our constitution tells us is that IEBC is an independent commission. IEBC must not be under the control or direction of anybody whatsoever, any person or authority. And that if I, as a chairman, once you confirm me, if I misbehave in the process, the provisions of Article 251 will check in.
When I was just about to apply for the commission, I was live to that particular provision that one of the eligibility, that somebody cannot be appointed as a commissioner or as a commissioner if you are a state officer. But I want to say, number one, that the law talk about appointment, and therefore the whole of this process will actually finally end up in the appointment, which now, and in the meantime, we are doing the process leading to appointment. But this particular document, Chair, please, a single minute, is from the National Assembly.
You are saying you've not been appointed?
Yes, I've not been appointed.
Thank you very much. Are you related to Honorable Junet Mohammed?
Mr. Chairman, I am related to Honorable Junet Mohammed. I am his brother-in-law. Mr. Chairman, as his brother-in-law, I existed long before Junet was born. But I am Junet's brother-in-law. Completely different.
All right. I think that is answered, Karemba.